To access Zoom, you either can go to the email that your teacher sent you to Infinite Campus or to your Schoology page and course, and in materials you should find a link to your class Zoom. If you click that, and then you click at the bottom, open in Safari, it will open it for you in your Zoom link. You will be in the waiting room to begin with, and so you will wait until your teacher admits you into class. When you are let into class, you're going to select Call Using Internet Audio. Then, when you're in, you'll be able to take a look at the different buttons in there. There's the grid view, which allows you to see both students and your teacher, or just the active speaker. There's the leave button that allows you to leave the Zoom when you are done. Mute allows the teacher to hear you or not. Then there is the video button. You can select this button to show your video. Now you need to talk to your teacher to see what their expectations are. Some teachers will want your video on all the time. Some will want you to only be on video for when you feel comfortable or for attendance, and some might not have an opinion on it. But it's something that you and your teacher need to discuss, and you need to understand what the expectations are of you. If you have concerns about having your video shown, please be sure to talk to your teacher and to communicate what those concerns are. As we go to the next button, you can hit Participants, and this is where you can see who else is in the class. If you click your name, you can rename yourself, but remember, your name is what's important. This is also where you can get things like the help button, the raise the hand, yes, no, faster, slower. And these are really important because unlike when we're in class and we can see if you're still working on something, or you can raise your hand, or we can tell if you need more help, we can't do that when we're on Zoom. So you really need to take the initiative, and you need to be communicating with your teacher your needs, when you need them to slow down, speed up, when you need more time, and when you need some help. And so work on building that relationship with your teacher so that way you can be successful for Zoom. You can go to the 3 dots more and also go to virtual backgrounds or chat. Chat allows you to chat with anyone, or if your teacher allows you, or to just the teacher. You can also click there to go to the virtual backgrounds. And for the virtual backgrounds, that's a way to have your picture showing with your face. But instead of your bedroom, for example, you can choose a background. You can also press the plus button if you want to choose a picture that is from your camera roll as opposed to one of the pictures that they have. Now, when you're done, you press the done button. Now, your teacher may have you do something like going to a breakout room. If that were to occur, you would see something similar to this that's sending you to the room. The room may have you or more people in it. You can always ask for help and ask the teacher to join you in that room by clicking the Ask for Help button. Also, when you are in the rooms, you can get messages from your teacher as well. If your teacher isn't able to help you, a message will pop up. When it's time to leave, you can always click the Leave button and then say Leave the breakout room. Or you can go through and you will get a message saying how much time is left before your teacher is having you come back to the main room. You can either leave now or wait for that time to be up. As you leave the breakout room, it'll bring you back to the main room. When you're ready to leave the entire Zoom, you click the Leave button and then Leave Meeting. In your Zoom app, there is the ability to go to Settings, and then your account. And to see things like what your personal ID is, to set a profile picture. Under meetings, you can find more information about what's possible in your meetings. Contacts and chat in general are just more settings that you can play with if you would like. Again, if you're having difficulty with your Zoom, check with your teacher to make sure you're at the right site, and then contact your school's technology department if you need more help.